Hey loves, Dima here. Welcome to my channel. Please this video is for people with thin hair, short hair that need long hair. If you want to thicken your hair, your edges are bald, thinning edges, your crown section is bald, please sit tight and watch this video to the end. I specifically made this video for you with you in mind. Remember to subscribe, grab your popcorn, and I'll be right back. Welcome back. The first thing to do is to grab a calibrated beaker like so, 250 ml worth to be precise. If you don't have beaker, use any 250 ml worth container or bowl, whichever you have is just fine. Next, grab an organic olive oil like so, measure out 150 ml worth of that. Next, get your extra virgin coconut oil like so. This is the cold pressed version. You must use cold pressed version, if not it won't work. Measure out 100 ml worth of that. After adding in the two oils, stir to combine all the ingredients. Please use only olive oil and coconut oil. If you use any other oil, it won't work. Make sure to use the two if you really want to see results. Next, the next ingredient will be Calendula flour. I will be adding 1 teaspoon of that. Next, I added 1 teaspoon of lavender buds, followed by rose bud. I will also add 1 teaspoon of that. Next is nettle leaves. Also, we'll be adding 1 teaspoon of that. I equally added 1 teaspoon of dandelion root. After that, stir to combine all the ingredients. While stirring, I noticed a rope which I don't know how it got into the herbs, so I took that off. Keep watching to see this. Make sure to use all the herbs used in this video. Please don't improvise or come to the comment section to ask for an alternative. There is none. Please just use all the herbs used in this video if you want to see results. So stir all to combine all the ingredients. Next, place a pot of water on heat and bring to a boil like so, and then place the beaker in it and continue stirring. Stand by the beaker, stand by the pot and stir continuously. Do not go anywhere. Just plant your feet by the cooker or stove, whichever you have. So this process ought to last for 15 minutes. Once it's 15 minutes mark, bring down the oil, place on a cool surface and allow to cool down completely. Once cool, proceed to the next process. Here I'm going to get a little portion of the oil out for demonstration. I sieved a portion out and then transferred back the herbs into the beaker. Please note that the more the herbs stays in the oil, the more potent it becomes. So I will advise you to leave this in the oil. Next, grab a jar free of moisture and transfer the remaining oil for storage. I'll be storing this oil for maximum of 2 months in my kitchen cabinet. If you're in a region where you have sun, you can always bring it out under the sun every day for a month, which is faster than storing it in the kitchen cabinet for 2 months. Herbs infuse faster in oils under the sun. I think I have taught this on my previous videos. If you are an OG, you should already know this. Next, label the oil. The reason is for you not to mix things up and also for you to always remember. I labeled my herbal oil, as you can see. For the little that I have in the beaker, in the separate beaker, I'm going to be transferring that into an applicator bottle. Please note that this oil is not as potent as the one that you will be storing for 2 months or so. Apply this oil on your scalp and massage your scalp. This is an oil and a little goes a long way. You need not drench your hair with this oil. Apply both your scalp and your hair shaft. Use a gentle massage to work that in. I equally have a video dedicated to scalp massages. I will try to link that in the description box below. You can use this oil as a sealant, that is, after moisturizing your hair with leave-in conditioner and all that good stuff, use this oil to seal in moisture. Apply on your bald spots, crown section, scalp. Try to always massage this oil in each time you use it. Your hair must grow thick. I give you my words. Please do not joke with this oil or herbs. It works amazing. If you have tried every other natural remedy and they never worked for you, it's time to give this a shot and see the results in a month of consistency. If you have any question for me regarding this oil, please ask away in the comment section below. Can you see how I gently work that oil in, trying to use my fingers to massage my scalp? You should do the same when you make yours. Please, our target is 100,000 subscribers before the end of this month. Please make this happen for your girl. You can make this happen for me by sharing this video. The only way to help us achieve this on this channel is by sharing this video with people you love, people you know, your family, your friends, your colleagues. Ask them to subscribe to this channel if they really love what they see. Thank you so much for that. Also, do not forget to use this oil on your problem areas, your bald spots, crown section, anywhere you have issue on your hair. Try to concentrate this oil there. Work that in with a gentle massage, and within a month you will be amazed at your results. If you're in doubt, try to do your research about the herbs used in this video. With that being said, we have come to the end of this video. Thank you so much for watching. If you have been watching my videos and you haven't subscribed, please and please kindly tap that red subscribe button. Also tap the bell icon so you can be notified on our future uploads. I'm sure you don't want to miss other amazing videos still coming up. Thank you so much for watching. I appreciate all you do for this channel. I'll see you soon by God's grace. Bye.